Self-care for me has been a bit of a journey. I spent a good portion of my life, as in too much, catering to others at the expense of self. One of the most important parts of my self-care journey has always been caring for my hair. Something about caring for my strands helps relax this ADHD mind that is always running amok, as can be seen in any of my videos. In this video, come and see how I care for my hair throughout the week. Welcome back, friends, or if you're new here, hey! It is Lauren the Soap Witch, and this little happy corner of these here internets is where I play in my hair, mix up one of my magical concoctions, or go rogue on a recipe in the kitchen. So today, I did one of my favorite combos, because this is wash day, of leave-in, grease, and stronghold gel. And I thought that I would share a week in my wash and go, just to show you how it transforms or doesn't throughout the week. So let me just give you a full view of day one. Okay, so to preserve my wash and go, I take me a scrunchie, and I just take all the all the hair, okay girl, and pull it in the scrunchie just one time. And then I'm going to take this scarf and just unceremoniously tie it up. And I want to make sure that the hair is all sticking out the back once I get it all tied up. I pull it tight enough that I feel like maybe it won't fall off my hair in the middle of the night, but not so tight that I give myself a horrific headache, you know? Then I go in and pull the scrunchie off and put it away. And I'm gonna take my bonnet and put everything under the bonnet. It's my first time using this bonnet. I hope it fits. Oh Lord, I feel like I done tore it up. Did you hear that crackling? I bought new bonnets because I just wanted to. Was it a mistake? Okay. And here we go. So I am going to sleep. Girl, stop messing with it. I'm going to sleep like this. And I'm going to see you in the morning to take it down. Welcome to day 2, friends. And I am just going to take my hair down so you can just see what it looks like at the start of the day. And then I decided I'm going to come back later today because I'll be working out today and Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, yeah. And I always put my hair up. I usually put my hair up when I work out to help protect it. So I'll show you how I do that. Hold on. I gotta shake. Okay. I'm gonna fling my glasses everywhere. So just a little shake and fluff. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I can only kind of sort of see what it looks like because I actually do this when the bathroom is still pretty humid from the shower. So the mirrors are all fogged up. And I got that tip from Miss Whitney, Natural 85, because like the humidity and the moisture just helps kind of fix pieces that are like scraggly and crazy looking. Okay. It just adds a little bit more moisture to your hair. And at first I thought it was gonna frizz me up, but it has not steered me wrong yet. Of course it hasn't. She's brilliant. So here's my done hair. Took me all of 5 seconds. Okay. And then I will see you later for when I put my hair up to work out. Okay, so here I am. Second part of day 2, quick fast in a hurry because I procrastinated. And I gotta chug down this protein and cover my hair at the same time. Okay. So I get these. I got a bunch of them. It's you know, festive, like I'm festive. And this is what I use to just like basically hold down my hair. Whenever I pretty much have it in almost any kind of natural style, except for maybe when I did curls. I think I pineappled it then, but that's off topic. So I did all that to put it down here because I feel like it's easier to cover all of my hair and all that. And these get on my last nerve when I'm working out because they just swing everywhere. So I just take it and pull it over the hair like so, and bam, it's all covered. What I'm going to do is work out with it, sweat all in my head, because no matter what, as I've gotten older, I sweat in my head, all in my scalp, everything. So I'm going to keep this on until I'm done working out, until my hair dries, and then I'm going to take it off and wrap up my hair, tie it up just like you saw me do it last night. Okay, I gotta go now. See you, bye. Welcome to day 3, friends. Okay, so let me take this hair down and pretend like I actually got somewhere to be, you know, ASAP, because I do. One day I'd like to get on here and not be running late, but you know what? We don't need to talk about that. Usually I take my glasses off, but I'm living dangerously this morning. I mean, that's looking like pretty much it. I'm not doing nothing else. Okay. So that's it. I don't have to work out again until tomorrow. I'm making that sound like it's next week. So tonight, nothing special. We'll just be wrapping up my hair like you saw me do at the end of day 1. And I will see you again in the morning. Welcome to day 4, friends. I am going to just do my usual and then run out the house. Because guess who's... You already know I'm late. Anyway, I be having the best intentions, y'all. But my life just be getting the best of me. And there we go. I didn't take off my glasses when I shook yesterday. I shook very gingerly. I hold these because I don't want the beads to like slap me in the face. Not nice. Okay. I'm not one of those people that is like desperate to hold on to a style to within an inch of his life. When it looks bad or I'm just tired of it, I will change it up. This piece of hair, like, could you stop? Look, okay, that's gonna be it. Give you full 360. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna run off. I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 5, friends. So let's go ahead. Look at me, not late and not in a rush today. But anyway. Take this down. I worked out last night. My hair took forever to dry. Like, girl, what was that about? Ooh. Before I worked out, I tied it up the same way I showed you on day 2. Yeah. And then let it dry before I took that off and tied it up with what you just see there. Saw there? Whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah, that's gonna be about it. Okay. I'm surprised it's not full of flakes and such because I am having the hardest time keeping my hands out of the bottom of my hair. I don't know. It just happens when I'm anxious, ADHD. That's enough random talking for no reason. I will see you. Oh wait. I am working out again tonight. It's Thursday. Yeah. And that's when I do my high intensity cardio. It's with the most of my scalp and when most of my hairstyles used to give up. So we'll see what I look like tomorrow morning. Okay, see you then. All right, friends, welcome to day 6. Okay. I am not really off in a hurry to go anywhere today because I took the day off. But I'm still going to take this hair down. If I wasn't doing this video, I'd probably leave it up though. But you know. Gotta have consistency. Okay. $360. As you can see, I don't really spend a whole lot of time on fluffing and such. I just shake a little fluff, a little placement, and I'm done. Especially with this particular wash and go. with this combo. It just stays very well. Sometimes I do still like to push at my roots a little bit, just so they won't look so flat. So I don't really lift with the pick anymore. I don't really know why I just don't. Because for me, the point of this is not to do a lot of manipulation. A lot of people have different low manipulation styles. This is actually mine. Once the hair is set, it's set for the week. And I used to do a day 5 refresh. I don't do that anymore. I had stopped when I was testing to see how my hair held up throughout the week with grease to see if my hair really needed a refresh. It really doesn't, but my scalp would like a refresh. And so I'm considering going back to that. Well, going back to a refresh for those reasons, kind of what I mean. But I mean, the hair just looked really good this week. And so I was just like, I didn't have the time and I didn't really feel like doing it, but my scalp kind of wishes I would have. The only problem with me skipping the refresh is that it gets so itchy toward the end of the week. So I'm just going on and on for this to be day 6 because I am coming back tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Welcome to day 7, friends. All right, so it's the last day that I am barely making it through. I am tired. So this is actually the end of day 7. It still looks good enough. I can keep going. I can keep wearing it. But honey, my scalp is real itchy. So I am ready to proceed with today's wash. Not today's wash day. It's not today, but I'm ready to go ahead and wash my hair tomorrow. This is gonna be, the last day for this. Wash day is tomorrow. Woohoo! Okay, so yeah, this is how my hair stood up to all of the everything that happened last week, including today where I did a ton of moving and cleaning and sweating all over my scalp yet again. But still, the hair held up. So, anywho, that's gonna be about it before I fall out of my chair. If you like the special brand of sorcery that I bring to my happy little corner of these here internet, go ahead and subscribe, friends, and give this video a like. I hope you have a magical day, and I will see you in the next one, friends. Bye.